Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll explain how to set budget and bid in Zeely Ads. So to get started with that, Zeely simplifies ad creation by handling most of the technical work like bidding strategies and optimization automatically. So when it comes to starting your ads budget, Zeely allows you to choose how much you are willing to spend daily or over the entire campaign during the ad setup process. So you can simply enter the total budget amount, but Zeely AI will allocate it effective across the platform like Facebook, Instagram, and Google based on performance potential. Unlike traditional ads manager where you manually adjust base per click, per impression, or per conversion, Zeely doesn't require you to set manual bids. Instead, it uses automated bidding strategies to get the best possible results within your specified budget. So this means Zeely continuously optimize the real time to get more click conversions or impressions at the best cost. You don't have to ideas with the complexity of bid management. So if you want a tighter control, you can adjust the bid budget limit and set campaign duration, and sometimes select a campaign objective like traffic, conversions, or awareness, so which directly influence how Zeal bids for you, but actual bids amount are optimized by Zeal's automation.